All right, everybody, here is your Core Bites number 31 for your daily activities. So make sure you make your corrections and let us know if you have any questions about these math problems. So the first one says, there are three groups of a number, a digit, that equal 30. So there are three groups of blank that gives you 30. Okay? So if you set it up and you say 3 times what gives us 30. And that's why we're working on your multiplication tables right now. So 3, 3. Okay, so any number times something would give you that, right? And we learned this pattern with your place value. So the answer would be 10. Because 3 times 10, 10, 20, 30 gives you your answer. So the answer here is 10. For number 2, give the value of the underlined digit. So our underlined digit is 8. And so if you know your place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So we said 10,000s, so that means your value is 80,000. For your subtraction problem, you have two fractions. Thankfully, guys, they have the common denominator. They both have 5, so you can easily set it up. So because they have the same denominator, you just bring it over. And then you would look at your numerator and you would say 3 minus 2 gives you 1. So your answer is 1/5. Okay. For your next one, it's a perimeter question. And I know it's hard to see it, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and shade it in for you. So it's right here. Right there. And then it's all the way right here. Okay, and this is all shaded in. Okay, it's all shaded in. So it says, what is the perimeter? So with perimeter, guys, if you remember, you add up all the sides, right? So here we've got 3 blocks. So that means here we've got 3 blocks. And then on this side we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this side we've got 5. So with perimeter, you're going to do all the sides added together. So you're going to do 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 3 plus 3 is 6. So that'd be 6 plus 10. Excuse me. Excuse me. So that would give you 16 units as your answer. Okay? And then the bottom question says, are the lines parallel? Okay? Parallel lines, let me switch the color for us. Parallel lines, guys, go like this. It's like a railroad track or an interstate. They never touch, okay? Here, we would call these intersecting lines because they cross over each other, right? So the answer here would be no, they are not parallel lines. All right, guys, make your corrections.